National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union, and the waters of Lake Erie from the islands to Vermilion, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to NOAA Weather. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County, Ohio, Eastern Clinton County, Central Pickaway County, Northern Highland County, Northwestern Ross County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sabina, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Washington Courthouse, Circleville, Greenfield, Sabina, South Bloomfield, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Jeffersonville, Kingston, Williamsport, Bloomingburg, New Holland, Logan Elm Village, Staunton, Good Hope, Frankfort, Fox, and Martinsville. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile marker 62 and 68. Wind advisor.
WX Columbus Weather. The severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area, therefore the warning has been canceled. And WX.
Look at that. Sheesh, dude. Okay, so this squall line's coming at us at, I think they said 60 miles an hour, and then you said like hazards include 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. It definitely didn't look like it was coming our way beforehand, but now it does. But yeah, pretty mean looking. And it'll be here before I know it.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastern Licking County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hebron, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newark, Heath, Granville, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Hanover, Harbor Hills, Martin, Thornport, Grandville South, St. Louisville, Gratiot, Toboso, Fredonia, Purity, Brownsville, Interstate 70 and State Route 13 in Fallsburg. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 129 and 142 and near mile marker 144. Wind.
Another one.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Perry County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Somerset, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact,
It might be.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Somerset, Perry State Forest, Thornhill, and Glenford. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Guernsey County, Coshocton County, Muskingum County, southwestern Tuscarawas County, northern Noble County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Utica to 7 miles northwest of Perry State Forest and near Somerset, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Coshocton, Cambridge, New Comerstown, New Concord, Desville, West Lafayette, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Fredericksburg, and Antrim. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio near mile marker 143, in between mile markers 145 and 196. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 27 and 73. Here is a special